This is it's exciting for me, and I know it's exciting for Jeff and his wife, that this is a product that we think will take off in the right markets, and we're doing our due diligence. Jeff has done a ton of research. He's got a ton of connections to the solar industry. Take a look here. We did this one here. Took a little longer on this one than we want. Not because the product itself was hard to install, but we ran into the old fence problems. Well, fence lesson number one here. Don't put the corner of the fence where the old humongous tree used to be. The majority of our time was in this, from this post to over there, because it's solid roots. And when we say solid, ask AJ over here.
Yeah.
Give AJ in there. AJ, how many roots did you cut out here?
Dude, I might have cut out 25. I'm not even gonna lie. We cut through the stump at one point.
Yeah. So that was the bulk of our work here. And then it was some other things that we realized were going on that we needed to improve on. So we have a couple different ways we can install this fence. Okay, we did this with the no-dig installation. So all of these have the galvanized post driven in the ground. We drove them in the ground 4 feet. We have the modern fence technology, high density stiffeners here, and then we go over the top of that with the aluminum extrusion. Okay, that's using a no dig. There's no racking ability on these solar panels. They got to line up at the top. There's actually 2 panels in each of these. Okay, so they gotta match up here, and if it racks at all, it doesn't. So your choices when you're installing it is, it's either got to be level, which is what we did, which is why we dug all of this out, okay? Or you got to step it, okay? We can route these posts at anything. We can do a 3-inch step, a 6-inch step. You tell us what the step is, and we can make it happen. So those are the 2 main ways to do it. You can also use the traditional wet set, dig the hole, set it in concrete. You got to set those posts again perfectly to do that. I have more play doing the no dig because I can move these posts up and down if I need to. Okay, so that's how we installed it. This is all aluminum framework on it with the solar panel inside of it, real similar to our modern aluminum that we use with the vinyl and the wood. So it was a perfect fit, and I appreciate Mark sending you to me, and you guys accepting the partnership here, and keep an eye out. We're going to have more of this coming out. We're going to bring it to the market here real soon, and it could be going into your backyard, or if you're a fence contractor, this is a perfect additional income stream. This is a perfect product that it put in your arsenal that you can offer it to somebody. You may not be selling this as an entire fence around the property, but what if you could sell it as, 4 or 5 sections in the property that can help the homeowner reduce their cost and their electric bill.
Yeah.
Jeff, what else you got for us?
I think you covered everything.
All right. we work with
It's privacy, power, and
And a tax credit.
a tax credit.
And a
in most
tax credit.
places.
and a tax credit.
In most places in the U.S. anyway.
Yeah.
So what was your slogan? What can your fence do for you?
What can your
That's
fence
what this
do for
fence
you?
can do for you.
You got it.
Perfect. Thank you again. Always watch us, like us, and tell your friends about us, and we'll see you on the next episode of what's going on at A to Z Fence Supplies.